Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a poster on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the print section, and in the stationery section you can find the poster portrait option. Here you have more chains. If you want to add pictures to your poster, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images and other files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the elements section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, charts, tables, frames, grids and more. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by a professional graphic designer, and just select a template and step on it. Here you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the white square icon next to the design section and select another color and done. If you want to change a picture, just go to the gallery or the uploads button, select the picture and just drag it the selected frame and done. If you want to change the text, just click that and write your text. If you want to change the style of the text, just click to the arrow next to the style name. And here you can find the different text styles and font type, and just select one and step on it. If you want to change the size of your text, just click to the plus or the minus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.